It's difficult to see here, but there's an awful lot of water dripping off the bottom of the fascia, like a tap running, and it's then coming down, bouncing off the supports and bouncing onto the walls. So it's going to soak the wall. I'm just wondering if the gully that comes down is not spilling into the gutter and is instead just dribbling over the edge. It's difficult to tell in the pouring rain, but unless you're in the pouring rain you can't see anyway, so there's certainly a lot of water dribbling down off the fascia there.